Why neural networks cannot be controlled. Neural networks are powerful tools that can solve many problems, but completely controlling them is a challenging task. In this article, we will explore why it is not easy to control neural networks, how they work, and the risks involved with their increasing complexity. What are neural networks? Neural networks are computer systems inspired by the human brain. They are designed to process data, learn from it, and make decisions. Just as our brains have neurons, neural networks consist of small units that work together to solve problems. These networks can analyze images, understand speech, and even create text, making them useful in various areas of life. How do neural networks learn? Neural networks learn by being trained with large amounts of data. For example, if you show a neural network thousands of pictures of cats and dogs, it will begin to understand the difference between the two. The more data the network sees, the better it becomes at making decisions. However, once the network is trained, it can start to make decisions independently, which can lead to unexpected results. Why can't we control them? The main reason we cannot fully control neural networks is that they learn in ways we do not always understand. Developers create the basic structure of the network, but as the network trains and learns from data, it begins to make its own decisions. This means that sometimes the network will find solutions or make choices that were not anticipated by the creators. For example, a neural network designed to play a game might discover a shortcut to winning that the developers did not expect. What are the risks? Because neural networks can make decisions independently, there are risks. If a network is not properly supervised, it might make mistakes or cause problems. For instance, in one case, a neural network accidentally discovered a cure for a poison that did not exist before simply by analyzing random data. While this might sound helpful, it also demonstrates that networks can operate in unpredictable ways. The future of neural networks. As neural networks become more advanced, controlling them will become more challenging. They will continue to learn from vast amounts of data and may develop abilities that we do not fully understand. This is why some experts are concerned that neural networks could get out of control if their power increases too much. However, if we learn to manage and supervise these networks carefully, they could help solve many of the world's biggest problems, from finding cures for diseases to improving technology.